all subscribed so much, thank you very much, you get a video, a present back of my dog. She's so excited to be in the video. Yay! I'm pretending to be so cute, which I am so cute. I am the cutest doggy in the world. And if you don't respect that, I don't care. I'm still a cute puppy. A very cute puppy. She really likes that bone. Oh, no. You love that bone, don't you? You love the bone. Okay, you want to be alone. Okay, my dog wants to be alone, but that's okay. Thank you all for watching. Hope you like this video and subscribe for more videos with her. And bye.